Is polynomial degree the same as the number of terms? Imagine you're looking at a collection of algebraic expressions and wondering if the highest exponent in a polynomial is the same as how many parts it has. Well, let's clear that up. The degree of a polynomial is not the same as the number of terms it contains. These are two different ways to describe a polynomial. The degree is about the highest power of the variable in any single term. For example, if you see the polynomial 3 times x to the power of for plus 5 times x squared plus 7, the degree is for because the term 3 times x to the power of for has the highest exponent. Now the number of terms is simply how many separate parts the polynomial has. In that same example, 3 times x to the power of for plus 5 times x squared plus 7, there are 3 terms. Each term is a different piece of the expression. So, a polynomial can have many terms but a low degree. For example, x plus 1 has 2 terms but only degree 1. Conversely, a polynomial can have just a few terms but a very high degree. Think about 7 times x to the power of 5 plus 2. It has 2 terms but the degree is 5 because the highest exponent is 5. Each term's degree is determined by the sum of the exponents of the variables in that term. The overall degree of the polynomial is the largest of these individual term degrees. When classifying polynomials, we look at their degree to decide if they are linear, quadratic, cubic, or higher. We also categorize them by the number of terms, like monomials with 1 term, binomials with 2, and trinomials with 3. Knowing the difference between degree and number of terms helps when working with polynomials. For example, when you are factoring or simplifying, the degree tells you the kind of methods to use. The number of terms can influence how you approach the problem. So, to sum it up, the degree is about the highest exponent in the polynomial, and the number of terms counts how many parts the polynomial has. They are related but different properties that help you understand the structure of a polynomial better.